Varstulika Terävä Jääkäripuukko. Puukko. The Varstulika Terävä Jääkäripuukko. Guys, the Varstulika. Man, I cannot pronounce this at all. Guys, look, I'm actually watching a Woolies World video. Guys, the Varstulika puukko, 110 puukko, okay? Guys, this is the best budget bushcraft survival knife in the world, okay? It is, and here's why. Right, here you have it, guys, right? This is the puukko. This is 4mm thick, high carbon steel, Scandinavian puukko style, Finnish puukko style, full tang knife, guys. It's got a rubberized coating over your full tang construction. It is incredibly tough, a very tough, no nonsense, well made knife, guys. It is, you know, it's, guys, these retail from anywhere between, I think they start at £25 without the sheath, and they go up to about £45 with the sheath, okay? So they call this the Mora killer. That's what they call it, guys, because everybody reckons that Mora is the best budget bushcraft beginner's knife or budget knife, okay? And Mora doesn't even come close to this, guys. This is like a really good £120 bushcraft knife for 40 quid, okay? It's the easiest way I can put it. This thing can take a serious beating. It can take all the mistakes you're going to make. It can take all the learning process, okay? All that there, and it is completely effective and a good choice for somebody who has been doing bushcraft for a little while as well, you know. Guys, it's a very good knife. It's very well thought out. It's very well put together. The sheath is a leather sheath that comes with a dangler. You don't have to pay extra for that or anything. You know, it's quite simple. There's a plastic insert in there. It fits in. Clip that together. And it's got very good retention. Guys, it rides well on the hip. It's just a very good knife. It's a very, very good knife. I suppose you want to see me rack some stuff with it, yeah? Guys, I'm just going to do some... the dogs are here. Cooter's here behind me, as she always is. Bruno is running around and possibly going to run straight into the knife and get stabbed. Aren't you, Bruno? But she keeps stealing all my sticks. Okay, so... This is my official testing area, okay? So, Bruno has actually taken all the sticks. I had 4 of them there. Guys, I batten with my knives, okay? I don't really see the point in not battening with them. I used to carry an axe with me all the time, but I haven't done that in a long time. Bruno, that is my stick. Away. Sit. Good dog, stay. Okay, so this is going to be my batten, okay? Bruno, no. So I'm just clearing off the edges there, clearing off the sticks. Now, this is just a little 3-inch thick, okay? I do have a knot, a circle of knots right in the middle here, so. And guys, you can see how well that 4mm thickness and the Scandi grind is at splitting timber already, guys. Now this stuff is quite twisty, okay? So you'll notice it twisting. Bruno, away from me sticks. And eventually it pops, okay? And that stuff is soaking on the inside as well. And the rubber handle, guys, makes it really comfortable to batten with as well. It's a good knife. I have no complaints with it at all, okay? My favourite bushcraft knife of all time is the Spyderco Bushcraft UK, okay? And that is a knife that I searched for a long time. I searched for the perfect knife. And I put it in my hand and I went, right, okay, this is the knife, the Spyderco, okay? Forster Leaker sent me this, okay? I wasn't looking for a new knife, but when they sent me this, guys, the Spyderco has sat in a drawer since I got this. Now, you two, stop it. Stop it. Guys, that's how nice it is, okay? It's very comfortable. Now, I know people have been talking about the handle and stuff. The handle is quite thin. I do have small hands, so it suits me, okay? So I've no issues with hot points or anything like that, or it's nice. It's a nice knife. It's a nice, well-built knife, guys, that you would be really, really, really hard pressed to find something as good a value as this, okay? It's very, very good. Now look, Cooter, good girl, good girl. Come on over here. You leave her alone. Leave her alone. Sit. I tell you what, you have this one. Sit. Now, you gonna take it? Right, away, go. Good dog. You know, I could sit all day doing this. Making this wood is soaking wet. Bruno, will I give him this one too? Do you want this one as well? If I get him to sit, I'll give it to him, okay? Sit. Sit. Yep. Paw. Good dog. Other paw. No, that's the same paw. Other paw. Other paw. Guys, Forster Leaker make very good knives, okay? It's as simple as that. This is the 110. They come in a couple of different sizes, guys, and they're all very, very similar except for the size. Alright, no Bruno. So if you are in the market for a good quality bushcraft / survival knife, guys, this is what you should look for, okay? And I tell you, if you're interested to see how much abuse this knife can take, look at the Dutch Bushcraft channel, guys, and see what they did to this knife. I am not going to do that to this knife because I like it. Good dogs. Go on, Bruno. Get your bum out of the camera. Anyway, guys, listen. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. So jealous. He's so jealous.